What's up guys, it's Brian with J&P Cycles. Today we're going to show you how to quickly change out your mirrors on your Harley-Davidson motorcycle. Today I have the Kuryakyn Hex Mirrors that we're going to throw on this 2019 Road King. Using your 1/2-inch socket, simply remove this crown nut on the bottom here. And pull out your mirror. Grab your new Kuryakyn mirror and Kuryakyn bolt and thread it in. Once you tighten, you're all done. An alternative way to mount your mirrors is underneath the handlebars. Just repeat the action in the same way, except you're going to use the right-hand mirror for the left-hand side and the left-hand mirror for the right-hand side because they're going to be upside down. Now that you know how to throw the mirrors on your bike, head over to JP Cycles and do it yourself.